Carolina. And there she is right now, waving from the door of the plane. Let's watch. And just to give you a sense of what is happening here, this is her campaign anthem, a fight song that is played at every one of her rallies. So it is playing here as she is going to greet some of these supporters here who are waiting in the early hours of the morning to fight song. And I can tell you a lot of excitement here, a lot of her New York supporters eager to see Hillary Clinton, and they hope 24 hours from now will be the president-elect. We'll have to wait to see what the voters say about that.
You know,